This is the G7 chord. Hi, my name is Tom Fontana from TheGuitarLesson.com, and we're going to be learning the G7 chord today. Now the G7 resembles the G with the exception of your pinky. So your first finger will be on the first fret of the high E, your second finger will be on the second fret of the A, and your third finger goes on the third fret of the low E. Now just strum each string nice and slow to make sure all of the strings are ringing clearly. And if you hear any buzzing strings or muted notes, just make sure that your fingers are arched up, so they're not laying flat like this, because then you'll just mute everything. So they need to be arched up like this. Your fingertips should be as close to the metal fret wire as possible instead of being here, because that just makes everything just super hard. They should be as close to the metal fret wire as possible. You also notice that my fingers are not perpendicular. All of my fingers are angled like this, and that's how you can extend the reach of your fingers. That's how you'll be able to fret chords like this that require a wider reach, okay? Now to practice this chord, we'll be using the chord on, chord off technique. So just hold down your chord, strum the strings, and take off your hand, wiggle your fingers around a bit, and go back to the chord and strum your strings again. Chord off, chord on, off and on, chord off and on, off and on. And the point of this exercise is to really burn that chord shape into your fingers, and sooner or later you'll be able to fret this chord shape without even looking at your fingers, basically. Now with the G7, it really helps to place your thumb right in the middle of the neck right there. That's how you won't mute the high E string, and that's how you can get enough leverage to hold down this chord. And that's how you play the G7 chord.